In this video, the distance formula. Now, the distance formula is d is equal to the square root of x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. So for this first pair of points, 2, -3 and -1, 5, we're going to take the change in x. So -1 minus 2 quantity squared plus 5 plus 3 quantity squared, and we're going to take the square root of that. But Mike, you may be saying, this says 1 minus 2 and you just did 2 minus 1. Isn't that a problem? No, because it's squared, it won't matter. I did another example where I flip-flopped them and got the same thing. We just need to be consistent about which point we call first and which point we call second. So we're going to do this computation. We'll get -3 quantity squared plus 8 quantity squared. We'll have to take the square root of that. So this is the square root of 9 plus 64, or the distance is the square root of 73. I'm pretty sure 73 is prime, so that's all we can do for that. Next problem, we're going to take 3 square roots of 3 and subtract a negative square root of 3. We're going to square that, and we'll add to it. So square root of 5 minus 4 square roots of 5, and square that. Tricky. So this is 3 plus 1, so that's 4 square roots of 3 squared, and this is 1 minus 4, so that's -3 square roots of 5 squared, and we're taking the square root of the whole gosh darn thing. 4 squared is 16, and the square root of 3 squared is 3, so this is 16 times 3, plus -3 squared is 9, the square root of 5 squared is 5, so plus 9 times 5. Square root of that. So this is 48 plus 45, square root of all of that. That's the square root of 93. So the distance is the square root of 93. Again, a prime number, so I think we're done here. And that's it for this video. See you next time.